What happened?
We made so much power, it blew the doors off.
Yeah, it literally blew the doors off. So we're gonna take this old tie wire right here. Probably one of my torch. If I don't burn a hole through the whole side of the thing, and we're gonna try to weld it back together.
Well, the car's about 100 years old. We've welded on the skin. We've welded this door on probably 3 or 4 times. It just keeps falling off.
Headlights are on. What is it? Oh, is this just a... It's still on the back side too. There we go. Everybody wants his work on Elder. Yeah. Now, season. That's why now we can wreck it.
What'd you think of Chase's burnout?
It was good. I tried to mow the grass, but it was good. He's like, it's crazy because I think Cash has drifted it, but Chase, this is the first time he's ever got to hook it. And I got about 150, 200 hits in that bitch.
Bro, that is exactly what I expected of the D-Rod, and last night was something.
This is good. It's a good show. We had fun no matter what. That burnout pit was fun today.
You gonna go out and try it out tonight?
Yeah, we'll go ahead and get it 4 or 5 and 5.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
Are you gonna drive, or are you gonna let Chase do it all today?
I don't know. I might run one. It's kind of fun. It did one. I get near it. Are those the same rigid tires that we put on last year? Yeah. Is it real? Yeah. And it's probably, I've lost it. I didn't even drive it hardly all year, so here it is. Try it. Bottle on? All right. Hold it. Look at that.
What's up, guys? We are here at Alberta Diesel Day, and industrial injection through my 12 valve on Steve Darnell's truck here and brought it up. So we won this down to Lake 250, and I can't wait. Let's open it up. I didn't get any pictures when it was wrapped up with all stuff at the race. So.
Yeah, man. We appreciate it. Let's open this bad boy up. It's Christmas morning.
This is awesome. So I've been talking with Steve here, and we were trying, like, the D-Rod is so awesome, but I think that this needs to go in something that we can put to work. So we're looking for a square body ramp truck, like an old 80s ramp truck from the race days that guys hauled their race trucks to and stuff like that. And I think that's what we need to do, put it in a workhorse.
Definitely think that it'd be good for hauling things.
Compound turbos, 800 horsepower.
It's a nice little pull-in motor with these compounds that they got set up. This is perfect for towing. This is like their tow setup. And the motor's not overly ridiculously built where you can't have fun. It's got a nice pump on it, head studs in it already, a couple of compounds.
This thing's gonna pull really nice. Yeah. So be good in your square body if you go get that square body, let me know.
Yeah, we'll
I might
figure
have to
something
go
out.
with you to go get that thing.
But yeah, Daytona 250 champion, guys.
Yeah.
We got her up to Alberta, so we just got to put her in something now.
Yeah, I think you'll like it, man. It's set up for exactly what you're thinking.
Yeah.
Something that's usable daily. You can pull all your stuff
My
around.
first 12 valve.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Ooh,
you're
what
gonna
a-
love it, dude.
Yeah.
You're gonna be hooked.
Steve likes the 12
I
valve.
love
Yeah.
12 valve, man. It's a great motor. Don't be gifted with what you're doing though.
Yeah, let us know if you need any help. Or
I'm gonna need a lot of help because I haven't done anything diesel before. So.
Okay. This is the first one.
Yeah.
All right.
Only
And you
diesel.
got the 12 valve master right
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, we can have fun.
Yeah, I got him on speed dial. So.
Yeah, that's true too. That is true too. Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, we'll put a combination together. You start looking for a transmission.
Yeah, we gotta figure that out. It kind of depends what we put it in. So.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
find something.
We'll talk about it. We'll figure some stuff. I know some people.
Yeah, we'll follow it all along, man.
Yeah.
It's gonna be awesome to watch.
Yeah, it's gonna be good to put it in something
Yeah.
that actually works.
And
So yeah, cool.
And check out What in a Way page, YouTube, TikToks. We're trying to figure out what we're putting in. If you have a square body ramp truck, hit me up. But yeah, industrial injection. Can't wait to put in some.